morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with the Watch Storm, aka the Y56 Smartwatch, rugged sports smartwatch. And this time we're going to check on its menus and functions. So let's check the UI of the smartwatch, okay, and see if the wearable do have a similarity to this smartwatch. Let me show you this one. Okay, I'm still looking. This one. Okay, so we have here the very affordable smartwatch. Okay, so it has similar features here, I think. Okay, similar functions, so we'll see. Okay, so let's check. Let's browse the UI of the smartwatch. Okay, so we have here the QR code. So on our next video, we're going to install the support app. But this time, let's check first the menus. Okay, so we have here the watch face. We have a touch button key here. Okay, so we have here the step counter, automatic step counter with the distance and calories here. We also have the heart rate, the blood pressure here, and the blood oxygen monitoring. Okay, again, it is not a circular display but rather a rectangular display. Okay, but the body is circular. We have here the sports. Okay, so it has several sports functions. We are going to check it later. We have the message notifications. We also have the music control and the settings. Okay, so let's go back to the sports function. Long press. So we have the walking, skipping rope, walking or running. Okay, we have the skipping rope, and we have the sit up. Okay, so at least 3 sports mode with a calorie counter. For the messages, I guess you can read the messages, okay, message notifications in your wearable. You have the music control. For the settings here, let's see if there are other functions. We have the sleep monitoring here, automatic sleep monitoring. We have the weather. We have the Bluetooth camera control. We have the anti-lost function. Reset. Here's the QR code. I think it is using the Fit Pro app. And we have the version number and the power off function. Okay, so we don't know if there's a, okay, so this one, steps. Let's go for the blood pressure. Long press. Okay, it is monitoring. Well, let's see. Let's wait if the wearable is able to detect. Okay, it takes time. Is it in random or it really monitors? So 95%. Okay, again 71. So let's see, let's have another tracking of our health data. Okay, while we are still waiting, again, this is a very affordable rugged sports smartwatch. Okay, so again, it has a much more good data here. So this one, if you see it on the promotional images, we have here a button, but it is just a dumb button here. There's no function, just a design. Okay, although it has a label here as set start mode. So it is a cheap version rugged sport smartwatch. More of like a kids or a children's smartwatch. So if you're looking for a decent rugged, okay, I think you have to invest in a more pricier or much better smartwatch or rugged smartwatch. But if you want to buy this as a gift, or you just want a smartwatch that tells time and a simple notifications, I think this one will do. It's very affordable, very cheap. Okay, so this is the packaging as you can see here. Pretty similar to this one when it comes to packaging. Okay, so if you want to see the details on this one, you can check also on our YouTube channel. So here we have 1.3 inch, okay, OLED, I think OLED display with 240 by 240 pixel resolution. We have Bluetooth 5.0, call and message notifications, and it is compatible with the iOS 9.0 and Android 5.0. Features includes motion or step counter, heart rate, distance, calories, blood oxygen, and blood pressure monitoring. Okay, so it is available in different colors. We have the camel green here. I think there's a black color for this one. And again, so we have here, as you can see here, the USB sign. Just remove the strap here, and you can charge it directly to any USB port, just like this one. Okay, and that's it. No need of an extra cable for this one. Okay, you can charge it on your PC, your smartphone charger. Okay, any USB port will do. Okay, so this is your Y56 Smartwatch. Okay, another name is the Watchstorm Smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, okay, please drop a comment below. See also our initial review for this smartwatch as well as its specs. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, a premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Goodbye.